art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch wearing a Santa hat, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose right in the middle of our page, and we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that down. We're going to start back on the left hand side. We're just going to curve that around, connecting that back up on the right. Now let's draw on the nostril, so leaving a gap over on the left and right hand side, we're just going to curve this line across. And then now we can just color those in black. We're going to add a small detail line above the nose. We're going to arch this line across on the right. And now leaving a small gap, we're going to replicate that again one more time. Let's move over for the eyes. So starting at a point here, we're going to curve this line around and then back in towards that corner. And then we're going to flip across on the right hand side, replicating that, curving this around and then back in, connecting that at that point. Let's add in the highlights for his eyes now. So starting on the top, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal, connecting that towards the line. And then we're going to do the same as we come across, closing that off. And then now from here, let's just color in our pupils black. Now we're going to leave a small gap and we're going to close off the top of the head. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this over and through towards the right. Let's close off the side of the head. So we're going to curve this around and down on the left-hand side. And then we're going to flip across on the right-hand side, replicating that. We're going to end that at the same height. Let's close off our chin now on the left-hand side, curving this down and in towards the middle. Now let's come across on the right and we're just going to blend that in towards that line on the left. Let's add in the detail around the eye now. So stepping in from that corner on a diagonal, we're going to curve this up and through towards our Santa hat. From that inside corner now, we're going to again curve this around and up towards the side of the head. And now let's draw in Stitch's mouth. So starting from the middle, we're going to curve this down and up towards the left. And then we're going to follow through on the right-hand side, replicating that. We're going to draw in a small corner bracket on the top of that. Closing off the bottom of the mouth on the left-hand side, again, just arching this around and through on the right. Let's draw in the teeth now. So from the center, we're going to curve this around and up, creating some small triangles, and we're just going to soften the edge out on the bottom so it's not as sharp. Let's move across now. We're going to draw in even bigger teeth. So we're going to bring this down and then back up, creating a bigger triangle. And let's move across. We're going to make this one smaller again as we move over. And then we're going to draw an even smaller one right in the corner here, finishing off our top row of Stitch's teeth. Let's move down now. In the bottom, leaving a gap from the left, we're going to curve this up and down. We'll leave a gap, replicating that on the right. We'll try and draw these at the same size as best as we can. Now, like we did on the top, we're going to draw in some more triangles, making these bigger for those fang teeth. Now let's move across again, making this one smaller. And now we've saved our smallest for last. We're just going to draw in our tiny tooth right in the corner here. And now let's draw in the tongue. So right in the middle, we're going to arch this through towards that big triangle on the left. And then we're going to continue behind that tooth, curving that in towards the bottom. Let's step over on the right. We're going to again curve this line up, and then bringing that down on the right. Now let's close off the Santa hat on the top. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in towards the center. And now starting from the middle, blending that line in, we're going to curve this around, scooping that in on the side, closing that off. Let's draw the rest of the Santa hat now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this over and through towards the right. And then we're just going to bend the top here, curving this around and down on a diagonal towards the right. Now from that point, we're going to curve this over and through on the right. We're going to come across on a diagonal, curving this around and in towards the side of the head. Now from the center, we're going to arch this line over and in. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this around and back in. And then we're going to again do the same thing on the right, arching that through. Now from here, let's just close this off with a nice big arch line. And now we're going to draw in Stitch's ears. So we're going to start with the one on the left first, just because it's a little easier. So we're going to start on the left-hand side here, curving this out, up, and over. We're going to curve the top of this, arching this down, and then we're going to take a little break there. And then from here, we're just going to draw in a sideways letter V. Let's start back on that corner. So again, we're going to curve this around and in towards the side of the head. And then now underneath this line, we're just going to curve this line across. And then we're going to close off the top, just curving this line down and in towards the side of the head. Now let's draw Stitch's ear behind the hat. So we're going to line this up at the same height still. So we're just going to curve this up and through. And now from here on the top, we're going to curve this up, around, and then back in on the side. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve this back through again. And then again, underneath that line, just curving that across. And now let's close off the top of the ear here as well, just drawing in a small line coming down towards the Santa hat. And that is it. That's how you draw a Stitch in a Santa hat. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.